Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to speak about where to put your functions in a C++ program. You can see in this program I have, which is a small program, I've got two functions and I've placed them both above the main function. And so when I compile this program, it works perfectly fine. When I put in the number 5, the first function prints out the value of that number, and the second function returns the double of that number. But what if, let's say, I don't like having these functions above my main function because it makes it harder to read the program. It also probably makes it hard to organize the code, especially when this code starts to get larger. So I'll say I want to cut them and put them after the main function. Now when I compile this program, it's actually going to run into problems. It doesn't identify this function. And if I actually comment this out, then it's not going to identify this one either. Let's compile and show you. And so it's the same thing. So to let the compiler know, and let's say if you prefer this way of putting the functions below the main, which is also my preference, I would have to put the function declaration. So this function over here is composed of a function declaration, this part, and a function definition, this part. So you keep the functions, the whole thing exactly as they are if you want to place them after the main function, but then you would need to take the declaration and put it before the main function, just to let the compiler know that we have these functions defined somewhere in our program. So this lets the compiler know that we have functions and they are a void or a function that returns a value, and it also knows what to expect when we call this function. It expects a parameter of type integer, and the same thing for the second one. So now when I compile this program and run it, it also works exactly like I want it to. So I hope this helps you decide where you want to put your functions, but a better practice is this way. It makes it easier to organize your code. It also makes it easier to read your program. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.